At the end of the 3rd week, guys, my acne was gone. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are just seeing this face for the first time, please don't make it your last. Make sure you join the family by clicking on that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel and also watch other videos here on my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Dettol Antiseptic liquid to clear your acne. I mean your body acne, be it chest acne, back acne, thigh rashes, any kind of acne at all on your body. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, this is the Dettol Antiseptic liquid disinfectant, and I know this is not new to you guys. Like, you literally see this Dettol Antiseptic liquid disinfectant in all African homes. Like, we basically use this Dettol in our bathing water, right? But only few people know you can actually use this Dettol to clear or get rid of your acne, like your body acne. Now, we basically just use this Dettol in our bathing water. Like, maybe we are reacting to water, maybe we change environment and you are not sure whether you're going to react to the water there. You basically just add this to your bathing water and you're good to go, right? I could remember when I just gained admission and I was coming to school, my mom made sure to get this for me because she was scared I was going to react to the water in school. So we basically just use this in our bathing water. But I'm going to be sharing with you guys, or I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this Dettol Antiseptic liquid disinfectant to get rid of your body acne. Yes, so a quick story, guys. There was a time when I was battling with acne, like serious body acne, especially at my back. So I was battling with acne and I was so worried. So I started doing my research now. Like, you know, like I love doing research a lot. So I started doing research and then I found out that you can actually use Dettol Antiseptic to get rid of your body acne. Like, I was surprised, and at first I didn't believe, but then I was like, let me give it a try. And I tried using this Dettol Antiseptic liquid. Guys, lo and behold, it got rid of my acne. Like, seriously, it got rid of my acne. Like, from the first week I started using this Dettol Antiseptic liquid, I started seeing results, and in like 3 weeks or more, my acne was gone. Like, my body acne just basically disappeared. So I'll try to leave pictures on the screen if I can still find any, but seriously, this Dettol is a game changer. So Dettol is an antiseptic liquid disinfectant that can be used to clear so many skin issues like rashes, ringworm, insect bites, eczema, and acne. Yes, and you can actually use this Dettol on your body, but you need to learn how to use it the proper way, otherwise you're going to burn your skin. Yes, so this Dettol is a very strong antiseptic that when used wrongly, it will actually burn your skin. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the methods I used in getting rid of my acne using this Dettol Antiseptic liquid disinfectant. So there are actually different methods of using this Dettol Antiseptic disinfectant, but I'm just going to be sharing with you guys some of the methods that I personally used but I'm just going to be sharing with you guys some of the methods that I used to get rid of my body acne using this Dettol, so that you guys can just adopt or try any of this method and see which one works well for you and for your skin. So the first method I used is the 50:50 method. So I make sure my water is 50% and my Dettol is 50%. But please, if you have a very sensitive skin, then you want to make sure you change the ratio to at least 70:30, making sure your water is 70% and your Dettol is 30%. So what I do basically is just to remove the cap, then I pour little portion of the Dettol to fill half of the cap, then I add water to fill the rest of the cap. So that way you get a 50:50 ratio. And if you are working with 70:30 ratio, just make sure your water is more than your Dettol. So once I've filled the cap with both the Dettol and the water, I simply just use my index finger to mix it up. So once I've mixed it up, then I just apply on my body, like where I have acne or where I'm dealing with acne. Just apply it all over the place and leave it for at least 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how sensitive your skin is. Then you wash off with water or you take your bath. I basically do this before taking my bath, so that once I've waited for 3 to 5 minutes, then I just take my bath and that's all. Another thing I notice about this Dettol is that it can be very drying, like, you know, and I think it's expected, it's antiseptic, right? So it can be very drying. So you want to make sure you follow up with a very good moisturizing cream after bathing. Like, you want to make sure to moisturize that area very well to avoid your skin drying out. So guys, for this second method, you're going to be needing your spray bottle. Like, you can get any spray bottle of your choice, but this is my spray bottle. And for this method, you're going to be filling half of the spray bottle with your water and the rest with the Dettol. Now, depending on the batch you're making, though I don't advise you to make much batch, just make little quantity for 2 or 3 days, then you can recreate another batch. So just basically eyeball where you want your mixture to reach. So my spray bottle actually has a calibration here that I'm going to be working with. So I'm just going to be filling the water to this side, then I fill the Dettol with the remaining, making 150 ml. So I want this batch to be just 150 ml. So this is my water right here, and I'm just going to start pouring. I pray I don't make a mess. All right. So guys, this is at 100 now, so I've filled this up with my water, and this is at 100 ml. So I want to make the 70 to 30% ratio, so I'm just going to fill up to 150 ml with Dettol. So that means my water is more than my Dettol, right? So I'm just going to fill this remaining 50 ml with my Dettol. So guys, this is my Dettol, and let's fill up. So guys, I'm done filling now, and this is at 150 ml, which is the measurement I want. So I'm just going to cover this up again. Just cover this up. Then what you do is that you want to spray the mixture where you are dealing with acne. So if it's at your chest, if your acne is on your chest, basically just want to spray this mixture on your chest. Just spray the mixture on your chest, then you massage it into your chest well. Then you wait for at least 3 to 5 minutes for it to soak in into your skin before you take your bath. That's just what I do. And if it's at your back, you just want to spray this on your back. So I basically just spray this on my back, then I massage it in well. Then I leave it in for at least 3 to 5 minutes for it to really soak in well, like for my skin to absorb it well. Then I just take my bath, and immediately after my bath, I make sure to follow up with my moisturizer. Like, guys, I can't stress this part enough. You need to always follow up with your moisturizer. Like, your moisturizing game must be very strong, because you don't want your skin drying out, right? So you want to make sure to moisturize after this body treatment. So guys, the third method I'll be teaching you guys is the Dettol bar soap. Now, I know you know this bar soap. I'll make sure to leave the picture on the screen because I don't have it right here. So the Dettol bar soap is also very good to get rid of body acne, and I can recommend this Dettol bar soap, especially if you have sensitive skin. Yes, you can make use of this Dettol bar soap, because like I said earlier, this Dettol antiseptic liquid can be very strong. Like, it can be too strong for somebody with extremely sensitive skin, but the Dettol bar soap is actually very mild and will really work well for people with sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, you might actually react to this antiseptic liquid disinfectant, but trust me, you can't react to the Dettol bar soap. Just that, because the Dettol bar soap is mild, so it can take a longer period of time for you to start seeing results on your skin. But trust me, it's still going to work, but it will take a longer period. So you simply just want to damp your hand. Make sure to lather the soap well on your palm before applying on your skin where you are dealing with acne. So just massage on your skin, then you wait for 3 to 5 minutes as well before you take your bath. And also make sure to follow up with a very good moisturizer after your bath. So guys, for the fourth method, you're going to be needing your body wash. Like if you are the type that bathes with body wash, then you can simply just mix your body wash with your Dettol. Now you ask me how. Now you're just going to divide your body wash into 2 or 3 parts. Please do not mix the whole of your body wash. Just make sure to divide your body wash into like 3 parts. So you take the third part, like one of the 3 parts, you take one of the 3 parts of your body wash, then you pour your Dettol into that part of your body wash. Please, the reason why I said you should not mix the Dettol into the whole of the body wash is because there are days that you won't want to use this body treatment, because of course it's strong. You don't want to use it every day. Like you can just use it every other day. Like for me, when I was dealing with my back acne, I usually use this like 4 times in a week. I don't use it every day. So you just take 1 out of the 3 portion of your body wash, then you mix, you pour in little of your Dettol Antiseptic into it, then you shake where you mix. Then you simply just use this in bathing. Like you just apply this mixture on your body. You can apply it on your bathing sponge as well. Then you just use it to bathe. And you can as well leave this body wash mixture on your skin for 3 to 5 minutes before you enter your bathroom. So just apply this on your skin and leave for like 5 minutes, then you go and wash up. Like you will notice changes. Like seriously guys, I'm a living testimony of this. You're going to notice changes on your skin. Like your body acne will just keep fading out. Like it will just keep disappearing and fading out. Like in about 3 to 4 weeks, like you will really know that yes, this is working. So guys, the 5th method I use in getting rid of my back acne was exfoliating gloves. Like this is it. I know you guys have seen this before. So you basically just wear this. So I just make sure to wear my exfoliating gloves like this. Then so after applying my Dettol, like after using my spray bottle, after spraying it on my chest or my back, I simply just use this exfoliating gloves all over. Like just use it all over where you have your body acne, whether chest or your back. So just use it to exfoliate it a bit so that the Dettol mixture can really work well on your skin. So after applying your Dettol mixture, just use this to exfoliate your chest or your back, anywhere you are dealing with acne, and you will be good to go. And you can also get an exfoliating brush, especially for those with back acne. You know, your hand might not be able to really exfoliate your back, so you want to make sure to get your exfoliating brush. I'll make sure to leave a picture on the screen. So just get that to help you exfoliate your back gently, so that the body treatment, I mean this Dettol treatment, can work better on your skin. So guys, the last method is of course our normal bathing method. So you basically just pour a bit inside the cup, then you pour it inside your bathing water, then you bathe. But even though it works, I feel it's not really concentrated, and it's really not going to concentrate on your back acne or chest acne. So I basically just use this method as my normal bathing method like we all do, but I don't use it to treat body acne. Like I don't use this method as an acne treatment because I feel it's not concentrated. Like it's not going to really concentrate on my back acne. So I just use the remaining method I showed you guys earlier for my back acne. But normal, you can use this in your bathing water just to disinfect your water right before bathing, but I still prefer the other methods in treating my body acne. So you can simply just try out all these methods to see which one works best for your skin, and then you can stick to that. So I noticed that this normal adding Dettol inside my bathing water doesn't work for me, so I don't use it to treat my acne, but I just basically use it for bathing sake, you get. So just try out some of these methods and see which one works best for your skin. So guys, for the results, I actually started seeing results in a week, like not visible results, but I was noticing a bit changes. Like I was noticing little changes on my acne. Then at the end of the 3rd week, guys, my acne was gone. Like seriously, it was gone, and I've never experienced it since then. Like I'm talking about 6 I think 5-6 years now, and since then I've never ever experienced back acne or any form of body acne. So this Dettol works, but you just need to know the right way of using them. And many people have also testified to this Dettol Antiseptic liquid disinfectant that it actually works, like it gets rid of your body acne. You just have to follow the right method and be consistent with it. The fact that it took me 3 weeks for me to clear my acne doesn't mean it's going to take you 3 weeks. It can take you 2 weeks, and it can even take you like 4 weeks, 5 weeks. But just be consistent with it and make sure you're using it the right way. Please don't say because you want your acne to dry up quickly or for your acne to disappear quickly, then you now start using without diluting. Please make sure you are diluting your Dettol. And this brings me to some of the warnings I want to tell you guys, like the do's and don'ts of this Dettol Antiseptic liquid disinfectant. So guys, the number one warning is that please and please do not use this Dettol on your face. I know some people have said that they've tried it on their face and that it works and all. Like I've seen some videos here on YouTube that they tried it on their face. Please, I haven't tried this on my face, and I don't think I'm going to try this on my face, because this is very strong, guys. This is like small but mighty, like it's very strong. You don't want to abuse it. And you know, our face is a bit sensitive and even softer than the rest of our body, so you don't want to use harsh antiseptics like this on your face. Another thing is that you want to make sure you dilute this Dettol. Like I said earlier, please don't use it like this. This is a concentrated antiseptic. Don't use it directly on your skin like this. Make sure to dilute before using. So guys, the third warning is that don't use your Dettol every day. Like, it is very strong. It's an antiseptic. Don't use every day. Like, you can actually use this inside your bathing water every day. That's normal. But in getting rid of your acne, please do not use this antiseptic every day. Just use it every other day. I used mine 4 times a week then, and it was really great. Like, you don't need to rush it. Don't use it every day. Also, make sure to hydrate your skin very well. I've talked about this. Make sure to follow up with a very good moisturizer so that your skin doesn't dry out. And if you experience any form of itchiness, redness, or irritation, please just stop using. That means your skin is not compatible with this Dettol antiseptic. So just stop using it. You're going to be able to get rid of your acne if you follow all these methods and warnings. So guys, this was how I was able to get rid of my back acne. Like, it was a really nice experience. Like, I was very happy that this small one like this is just 500 naira, like just 500 naira. So like, I was very happy that something as cheap as this can actually get rid of my back acne. So that was how I was able to get rid of my back acne, and I hope this video will be helpful to someone out there to help them get rid of their body acne. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this Dettol Antiseptic liquid disinfectant. Have you tried using this before to get rid of your acne? Let me know. And if there are other things you use this Dettol for, let me know as well in the comment section. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Like, I really appreciate it. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Please make sure to click on that subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.